Welcome back to another episode of the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, brought to you by Herbal Bloom. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we have a fascinating topic that dives deep into the science of anti-aging and metabolic health. We're talking about NAD+, a powerhouse coenzyme that plays a crucial role in keeping us healthy and youthful.
That's right, Emma. NAD+, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is found in every living cell and is vital for energy metabolism, DNA repair, and cellular signaling. But did you know that as we age, our NAD+ levels decline, leading to various age-related diseases?
It's pretty mind-blowing. When NAD+ levels drop, it can lead to cardiovascular issues, metabolic disorders, and even neurodegenerative conditions. But there's good news. Recent research highlights the potential of NAD+ replenishment strategies.
Exactly. Let's break it down for our listeners. NAD+ exists in two forms: NAD+, oxidized, and NADH, reduced. These forms are crucial for transferring electrons in metabolic pathways that generate ATP, the energy currency of our cells. But beyond energy production, NAD+ is essential for the function of sirtuins, proteins that regulate cellular stress responses, aging, and inflammation.
And here's where it gets really interesting. Researchers are looking at ways to replenish NAD+ levels in our bodies. Supplements like nicotinamide riboside and nicotinamide aim to restore these levels, enhance mitochondrial function, and improve our health span.
Let's dive into how NAD+ affects different parts of our body, starting with cardiovascular health. NAD+ helps maintain energy homeostasis in the heart. As we age or face conditions like obesity and hypertension, our NAD+ levels can decline, leading to mitochondrial dysfunction and increased oxidative stress. This can result in heart diseases like heart failure and atherosclerosis.
But studies show that replenishing NAD+ can improve cardiac function and extend health span by boosting mitochondrial efficacy. In fact, ongoing clinical trials are investigating the efficacy of NAD+ precursors in treating heart failure. Isn't that amazing?
It truly is. Now let's talk about mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of our cells, especially in tissues with high energy demands like our muscles and heart. NAD+ is crucial for redox reactions that drive ATP production through oxidative phosphorylation.
With aging, NAD+ levels decline, leading to mitochondrial dysfunction and reduced stress response. This affects stem cells' ability to regenerate tissues. But increasing NAD+ levels can rejuvenate these cells, restoring their regenerative capabilities. For instance, NR treatment has shown to enhance the mitochondrial unfolded protein response, critical for mitochondrial health.
Moving on to muscle health, skeletal muscle relies heavily on NAD+ for energy production in various biochemical processes. Declining NAD+ levels are linked to age-related muscle loss or sarcopenia. Maintaining adequate NAD+ is essential for muscle development and regeneration.
Exactly. NAD+ also modulates sirtuins, particularly SIRT1, which is linked to improved muscle metabolism and function. By boosting NAD+ levels through supplementation or pharmacological interventions, we can enhance muscle health and combat age-related muscle degeneration.
All of this highlights the importance of NAD+ in aging and disease. Disrupted NAD+ metabolism is associated with chronic conditions like obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. Research suggests that replenishing NAD+ can mitigate aging effects and improve health span by reducing inflammation and enhancing mitochondrial function.
Now let's talk about a special herbal remedy from the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies that can support NAD+ levels. This formula targets three critical aspects of cellular health: enhancing mitochondrial function, boosting energy metabolism, and supporting cellular repair mechanisms.
The ingredients in this formula are fascinating. First up, we have Rhodiola rosea.
Rhodiola rosea is known for its adaptogenic properties. It enhances mitochondrial efficiency and supports ATP synthesis, potentially complementing NAD+'s role in energy metabolism.
Then there's Panax ginseng. Ginseng has been shown to improve mitochondrial function and energy production.
It also enhances the activity of sirtuins, proteins that depend on NAD+ for their function, thus supporting cellular repair and maintenance.
Next is Polygonum cuspidatum, also known as Japanese knotweed.
This one is rich in resveratrol, a compound that activates SIRT1. Resveratrol can mimic caloric restriction benefits, including longevity and improved mitochondrial function.
We also have Astragalus membranaceus.
Astragalus contains compounds that support telomere integrity and length, which is crucial for cellular longevity. It indirectly supports NAD plus levels by maintaining the health of cells and their repair mechanisms.
Don't forget about Camellia sinensis, or green tea.
Rich in epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, green tea supports mitochondrial health and protects cells from oxidative damage. EGCG can enhance NAD plus effects by ensuring efficient energy production and reducing oxidative stress.
Lastly, there's Withania somnifera, also known as ashwagandha.
Ashwagandha reduces stress and inflammation, supporting overall cellular health. It also has a beneficial effect on mitochondrial function, complementing NAD Plus's role in energy production and cellular health.
By integrating these herbs into our routine, we can potentially enhance our NAD Plus levels, optimize ATP production, and support cellular health, promoting longevity and well-being.
Maintaining NAD Plus homeostasis is key to healthier aging and preventing age-related diseases. This herbal formula complements NAD Plus levels, contributing to improved health and resilience.
That's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning about NAD Plus and its crucial role in anti-aging and metabolic health.
Don't forget to visit herbalbloom.org for more information and to explore our range of herbal remedies.
See you next time on the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies podcast by Herbal Bloom.
Take care and see you next time.